Hi guys. Look what I have. I have this big huge box and I am going to open it. It's a true unboxing. I'm so excited. I wasn't really expecting to do a big unboxing so soon in the year, but it just kind of happened. So I'm really excited to share with you guys and show you what I got. Before I get started into the unboxing, I want to show you my bag of the week. It's a bum bag. How cute is this bum bag? It is genuine leather. It's by the brand THACKER. I just want to tell you guys, I didn't do an unboxing because I just couldn't wait. But I've been carrying this little bum bag all week. I don't normally jump on all the hot trends. I just do what I like, you know? But this, I've been interested in getting a bum bag, and I've been looking at the Gucci bum bag and also the Louis Vuitton, the black leather one. I love it, but I really don't want to spend that kind of money on something like that because I could easily tire of this. But I've been using this all week long and it's huge, absolutely huge. And I got it at Nordstrom Rack for $99. If you look on QVC, they have them for like $258. I don't know if Nordstrom has them, but it's the THACKER brand. And I love the zip closure. It is so roomy inside. It carries all of your essentials and then some. And I've really just been wearing it as a sling over my shoulder. And I also love the fact that it has this gold zipper, this other pocket on the back, and that's where I've been putting my phone. So I have really enjoyed this. And look at the pulls. So cute. And it's just a super deal for $99, genuine leather, and I love the gold hardware, and you guys know me, I can't just buy one thing. And I haven't carried this one, but I also got this one. I love the pulls on it, so it's suede in the front, but the back side is leather, so you don't really have to worry about color transfer. So I just thought they were so super cute, and at $99, so $200, a little more than that with shipping and tax. I have two really cute bum bags, and if I tire of them, it's not really a big deal. That's why I just really could not do the Gucci. I've thought about it really for about the last 6 months, but I just couldn't do it. But I really love these, and for now I think this will work. So if you're interested, and they also have one that's I think it's like cheetah print and black, and it was beautiful. But if you're interested, check out Nordstrom Rack, and if they're still available, I will link them in the description box below. Are you guys ready? I know I am. I have been wanting to break into this all day long. And let me tell you guys, so I kind of pulled a fast one on my husband. I ordered this for myself, so this is a gift from me to me. Normally my husband does buy most of my bags, but this was just a spur of the moment thing. I contacted my SA in Atlanta at Lenox Mall and asked him if he had it. He said, I have one. So I said, I'll take it. So it was just one of those things. I didn't even really think it through. I have looked at them. I think they're gorgeous. And I don't want to keep you guys in suspense because I can't stand that myself. So this is a true unboxing. It's all sealed up. So I got my paint scraper here. I need a killer knife. Patty, I need to borrow your killer knife. All right, so let's tear into this. I had my granddaughters today, and this came. Oh, what happened was, I'll just tell you the story as I'm opening it. I ordered it and I never told my husband about it. So normally I get most of my stuff delivered at the office, but I thought I'll be keeping the girls today and I'll just have it delivered at home and he'll never know about it. And I know that this would be something he would definitely notice, but I was just going to break it to him gently. But what happened was they delivered it at the office anyway. So he sends me a text and asks me if I ordered something. And I said, yes, I did, from Louis Vuitton. So yeah, he sends me this text. Did you order something from Louis Vuitton? I said, yes, I did. I thought, uh-oh, okay. Well, he was gonna find out sooner or later anyway, right? Okay, so here it is in this big box. Take all of this paper out. And I have never seen this in person. Not this one. So I hope I'm not disappointed. I do very few true unboxings because I'm always so impatient. So here's the big box. Here's this. We won't look at the receipt. So here it is. I have been waiting all day to break into this. I'm going to angle my camera down so you guys can watch. All right, here we have my Louis Vuitton box. So let's open it up. I'll be seeing it for the very first time in person, and I'll explain once I open it up and show you guys what it is. So here we go. You guys, I'm so excited. Does anybody want to take a guess? Because I don't think I've ever even gave you guys a hint of any kind, because it was a very spur of the moment thing. All right, so here's the dust bag, and just the shape of the dust bag might tell you something, okay? So here we go. We will reveal my, oh my goodness, I got the on-the-go tote in the MM size. You guys, ever since that I had to take my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis back, I have missed it. Now it looks a little, how does that look? It looks a little dented. I'm not sure about that. This is why I don't love true unboxings. What do you guys think? I'll have to look at it because I'm not sure. You see that? It's straight over here and kind of wavy over here. But this is the on-the-go tote in the MM size. I did see the large size when I was, the last time I was in the boutique, but I thought it was too large. This is a perfect size. The only thing, it does have a waviness to it right here. I'm not really happy about that. Okay? But it's gorgeous. It's got the red interior. This is my new bag. But I might have to call them about this because it could flatten out, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Okay, so I've been sitting here trying to smooth that little spot out with my fingers, and I noticed that on the inside is where the tag is, but it really should not be. I don't know if that's going to come out or not, because I've been sitting here for about 15 minutes trying to smooth it out while the camera was off. I do know that if I were in the boutique and they brought this to me, I wouldn't have taken it home. Not like this, because I'm very picky. Am I being too picky? I really want to know what you guys think. Because see, it just looks wavy. Okay, so that's kind of pushed in. I'll push it out. And I'll tell you guys, I looked at the GM size in the boutique, and it was just too big for me because I'm not very tall. And I loved it at first sight. But I've been wanting to repurchase the Neverfull and the Ebene with the red interior. I sold the one with the pink, but when I saw this, I just fell in love with it. And I thought, if they had a smaller size, and that was before I even knew that they were going to come out with a smaller size. So I called my SA, and he is in Atlanta, and I asked him if they had any, and he said they debut tomorrow and we have one. So he said, it's yours if you want it. So this is it. And it's got this little I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I do know for a fact, because I know how I am. If I were there, I would not go home with this. So that pretty much tells me I should probably send it back. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to message him and tell him that send him pictures of this and see what he says, because I want this bag so bad. I love it. I absolutely love it. My husband would say I'm being ridiculous, but I know how I am. If I had seen this in the boutique in person, that would have stopped me right there, because I don't know if that's going to straighten out, because like I said, I've been pressing it with my fingers for a while and it doesn't look right to me. So may have to send it back, but I'll just I'll message him, and I'll do another video for Saturday, and I'll let you guys know what I ended up doing about it, because I just really want this bag so bad. They can probably contact another store if they have to and find me another one, because I just really am not happy about that, because this bag is an extra $1,000 more than the Neverfull, and for me it's worth it because it's just different, and I love it. I love it. So let me know what you guys think. I'll talk to my husband about it. I will message Felipe and tell him and send him some pictures. I'll let you guys know Saturday what I ended up doing about this beautiful bag. I love it so much, and this is absolutely the perfect size. So I'm happy that I have it, but I'm not happy about that. It's not the end of the world though, it's just a bag, so maybe they can find me another one. All right, that's all I have for you guys this week. Unboxing gone bad. It's bound to happen sooner or later, right? So I will let you guys know Saturday. I'll have an upload on Saturday, and I'll let you know what ended up happening with this bag. I'll see you guys again on Saturday. Have a good week. Bye-bye.